oven huggers, it's Coach Beta. Today I'm going to demonstrate how to roll the dough when making candy cane Christmas cookies. I've been making these cookies for years. The recipe originally comes from this tiny book that's no longer in print. I looked for it because it's completely falling apart. It's from 1993. And I do a cookie exchange party every year for like 20 years, not quite, but almost. And I have this recipe on ovenhug.com, but the thing is, they're adorable. They're a little labor intensive, so let me tell you how I break it down. First, you make the dough, you divide it into two. I make a double patch because they're really popular in my neighborhood, and so I divide the dough in half. One half gets dyed red, the other half stays the original color, and I roll my little balls all out, and then after refrigerating overnight. So refrigerate the dough overnight, then roll into balls, then I refrigerate these, so it's a multi-step process. I refrigerate the little rolled out balls the second night, and it's all on the blog recipe. And now the third day, I'm making the candy canes. So to show you how to do that, you take a little ball and you warm it up. If it's been in the fridge, roll it out into a snake shape. And I've already done that with a bunch of them here, and do the same with the red one. Warm it up, make a red snake. I usually have a team of people helping me, but it happens to be a Friday, so I have Bob is at work. He's actually really good at making them. Girls are one's at a birthday, the other one's at SAT tutoring. So what we're gonna do now is then we're gonna take the snake. I have sprinkles. I like to then roll my little snake in the sprinkles. A little extra sugar never hurt. Take a red snake, I roll it into the red sprinkles. Then I take my two sugary snakes, like the terminology, I put them together. Now it's important to do it while it's still kind of cool, because warm dough falls apart, and then you just roll and twist. I mean, not roll. Now it's twisting. Twist your two snakes. So I'll show you. Now it's twisted like this. And the final step is to lay it on your parchment lined baking sheet, and you can kind of perfect it and get it to look like a candy cane on there. And that's it. Woo, almost lost one. And then bake. So I just wanted to show you that rolling process. It's so much fun. Thank you for joining me. Bye.